A very good morning, girls. Once again I welcome to the online classes of numerical analysis, and here the lecture number is 21 and we are discussing that the problem related to the Lagrange's polynomial. Okay, and this is a very simple problem, and just remember the formula. Make remaining kuda general ga kuda nenu ichchanandi formula. So if you are not comfort with that, then simply just remember that. So here we are calculating x naught by taking x naught, no. So that's why here we have to take that the value x minus x1, x minus all the values except x naught. Okay, in the denominator mainly we have to take that x naught in each and every term like this. Okay, now here I am going to I am taking like this directly, and L of n comma 1 of x. What is the formula for this one? Now here we have to ignore x1 in the numerator, then x minus x naught into x minus x2 by x1 minus x naught into x1 minus x2. So now here what we get here, x minus x naught means x minus 2, x minus x2 means what is x2? 4. So x minus 4 whole divided by x1 minus x naught, x1 2.75 minus 2, that is 0.75 into x1 minus x2. What is x1? 2.75 minus 4. Directly I am solving 2.75 minus 4 minus 1.25. Okay, now it is x minus 2 into x minus 4 and multiplication of these two 0.75. Now it is minus 0.9375. I am taking that directly 0.94. So this is nothing but the second value. Next, Ln comma 2 of x, which is equal to x minus x naught. Here we have to ignore x2. So x minus x1 by x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1. So now here x minus x naught means x minus 2 and x minus 2.75 whole divided by x2 minus x naught, 4 minus 2, 2 into x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2.75, 4 minus 2.75 is 1.25 into 2. 2.5. So now here x minus 2 into x minus 2.75 whole divided by 2.5. So this is the value. Now here what we have to do, we have to substitute all the values in a equation number 1. So now here substitute all values in 1. So then what we get here, simply we will get that P of x is equal to f of x naught is 0.5, and here what is Ln comma 0 of x value is nothing but here this value, x minus 2.75 into x minus 4 whole divided by 1.5. Okay, so the next plus f of x1. So plus f of x1 is 0.36. The next L of n comma 1. What is L of n comma 1 value ma? X minus 2 into, we have to calculate the polynomial equation. So that's why here we are getting that the value in terms of the x. Right? Polynomial equation ante enti variable lo undali kabada. So dani kosam. Now 0.25 into, that means f of x2 into L of n comma 2, that is x minus 2 into x minus 2.75 by 2.5. Now we have to simplify it. So now here simply I am taking that 0.5 by 1.5. So 0.5 divided by 1.5, that is 0.333 we are getting. Otherwise simply here I will take that 1 by 15, because point will be cancelled. Then we will get that 5 by 15 of x minus 2.75 into x minus 4. Okay, the next minus 0.36 by 0.94 means simply we can take that 36 by 94 of x minus 2 into x minus 4 and plus 0.25 and 5. So then we will get the 25 by 25. Otherwise 2.5 I have, no, because here for all the values after digit, after point we have a 2, but here we have like this, okay. So now 2.50 also we can keep, so we will get it is nothing but 250, okay. So now here 5 by 15 means 1 by 3 of x minus 2.75 into x minus 4. Next minus 2 18s are, 2 4s are, 7s are, okay. So 18 by 2 4s are 8, 7 of x minus 2 into x minus 4 plus 1 by 10 of x minus 2 into x minus 2.75. Okay, so this is the answer. Actually here you can stop with this, otherwise you can calculate also, there is no problem. And here we have that, we have to write this one. So now here 1 by 3 of x into x, x square, and minus 4x minus 2.75x minus into minus plus 4 into 2.75, 11 minus 18 by 47 of x square minus 4x minus 2x, so minus 6x plus 8 plus 1 by 10 of x square minus 2x and x square minus 2.75x plus 2.75 into 2, 5.5. Okay, so now here x square by 3, I am writing the x square term, okay, I am writing in order, and here 4x x terms, no. So minus 4 minus 2.75 minus 6.75 x by 3 plus 11 by 3 minus 18 x square by 47 and minus into minus plus, here 18 into 6 108 x by 47 plus, sorry, minus plus into minus, minus 18 into 8 144 by 47, okay, plus x square by 10, and here minus 2 minus 2.75. So it is minus 4.75 x by 10 plus 5.5 by 10. Okay, so now here I have to write all the x square terms. Actually here you can calculate this one, but I am saying, okay. So now here I am writing x square terms at a side, x square by 3 minus 18 x square by 47 and plus x square by 10. Next minus 6.75 x by 10, sorry, by 3. Next plus 108 x by 47 minus 4.75 x by 10. Okay, so the next here what we have, constant plus 11 by 3, and next constant is minus 144 by 47. Then next what we have, plus 5.5 by 10. Okay, so now here 3, 47, 10. So 3 table, so 47 and 10, we will not get that any we cannot calculate the LCM for these terms. So now simply I am taking the multiplication, 47 into 30, so 1410. So now here 3 we have, so 470, remaining is nothing but 470 x square minus 47 we have 30. So 18 into 30 540 x square plus 10 we have actually. So 47 into 3, 141 plus 141 x square. This is only one term value. Next, minus again 347 10, same LCM. Okay, now 1410. Now here we have 3, so 3 means 470 into 6.75. 3172.5 x. Okay, so of course here plus, minus, and next plus. 47 we have, so 108 into 30, so 3240 x. Next, minus 4, okay, 10 we have, so 47 into 3 into 4.75. Okay, 47 into 3, 141 into 4.75, 669.75 x. Okay, next for constant, so plus, so directly I am trying 11 by 3, but I will get in decimal, so that is why I am not doing 1410. 3 we have no, so 470 into 11, 5170 minus 47 we have no, so 30, 144 into 30, 4320 plus 10 we have, so 47 into 3, 144, 141 into 5.5, 775. So just with calci only I am doing ma. Okay, so now 470 minus 540, addition and subtraction fast, 71 x square by 1410. Okay, then next here minus 3172.5 plus 3240 minus 669.75. So minus 602.25 by 1410 into x. The next 5170 minus 4320 plus 775.5. So 1625.5 by 1410. Okay, so now it is nothing but 71, and I am trying with any table. Is it possible? So 3 table, 3 2s are 6. So 6 means 11, not possible. So 71 divided by 1410, 0.05. Okay. So otherwise what I am doing is, you can take like this directly here, you can take the fraction. Otherwise if you have a don't interest, okay, so then simply what you have to do is, so by taking the LCM, if you feel it is difficult, I am saying the another way. So now with this you can stop the procedure. Okay, we have a equation, or simply you can take that. Here we have 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 1 divided by 3 means 0.333. So directly I am taking that 0.33 x square minus 18 by 47. 18 divided by 47. So 0.3829 I have. So I am taking that 0.39 x square plus 1 by 10. Of course 0.1. X square. Okay, so next plus 6.275 whole divided by 3, 2.25. So minus 2.25 x plus 108 divided by 47, 2.297 I have. So I am taking that directly 2.3. x minus 4.75 divided by 10. So it is 0.475 x plus 11 by 3 means 3.66 minus 144 divided by 47. 3.063 I have, so 0638 I have, I am taking 4. So plus simply 5.5 divided by 10, 0.55. Okay, that's it. Now directly 0.33 minus 0.39 plus 0.1, 0.04 x square, that's it. Okay, so plus here what we get, minus 2.25 plus 2.3 minus 0.475. So minus 0.425 x, and here the next value is 3.66 minus 3.064 plus 0.55, 1 point plus 1.146. Therefore, P of x is equal to 0.4 x square minus 0.425 x plus 1.146 is the required polynomial. Like this you have to calculate. You can write in a ratios or you can calculate in a decimals also, that is your wish. Okay. So next we have that b bit. What they are asking, use this polynomial to approximate f of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Now write down my b bit. An approximation to f of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. F of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So now here f of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So then what is the value, actually 0.333, no, we know that. Otherwise you can calculate, then we will get that 0.333 and so on. So what they are asking, use this polynomial to approximate f of 3 value. Actually we have f of 3 like that. So now what they mentioned, use this polynomial. In a bit we have one polynomial, and now we have to use this polynomial to calculate f of 3 value. Okay. So now f of 3, now see, we know that f of 3 is equal to p of 3. Okay. So now p of x is equal to 0.4 x square minus 0.425 x plus 1.146. Simply they gave that x is equal to 3 here. Then p of 3 is equal to 0.4, 3 square is 9 minus 0.425 into 3 plus 1.146. So now here 0.4 into 9, 3.6 minus 0.425 into 3, 1.275 plus 1.146. Okay. So now 3.6 minus 1.275 plus 1.146. 3 point, wait, what I did, 0.425 into 3. Am I correct, ma? Yes. So now here I have that the value is 3.471. Okay. So generally by calculating f of 3 is equal to 1 by 3 in a given function, we are getting that 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 divided by 3 is nothing but 0.3333. So on we have, but here no ma, here we have some wrong answer. 0.4 into 9, 3.6, 0.425 into 3, 1.275 plus, yes. So now here 3.6 plus 1.146 minus, so yeah, I think I pressed plus, minus 1.275, no. So just I am checking that my equation is correct or wrong. Yes, correct itself. So here we have to substitute that x value. Now 0.4 into 9 minus 0.425 into 3 plus this one. So now here 3.6 minus 1.275. Yeah, but here we have to. Zero 0.4 into 9, actually we have to get the same approximate value. Okay, minus 0. Okay. So once calculate 9 divided by 22, 0.409. So I have a, yeah. Sorry, here 0.4 into 9, 3.6, here 4, it will be, yes. So somewhere I did a mistake. So here once check this value, I am calculating 0.33 minus 0.39 plus 0.1, 0.04. I wrote that it is 0.4, that's why I am not getting the answer. 0.04. Okay, so while you are calculating, be careful. See, with the 0 I am not getting the value. 0.0. So now here 0.04 into 9, 0.36. Now I will get the value. So 0.36 minus 1.275 plus 1.146. 0.36 minus 1.275 0.146. Okay, so again we have to get that the answer is definitely we will get approximately 0.3 only. So 105 by 105, actually they gave in the ratio 105 by 88. Okay, sorry, 35 by 88. divided by 88, 0.3977. So approximately I have that 0.4. So next value is 49 by 44. Just I am checking that my polynomial equation is correct or wrong. 1.1136. So 1.146 I have. So now here simply 0.425 into 3, 1.275. Now here 0.36 plus 1.146, okay, minus 1.275, 0.231 I am getting. So that's why here what you have to do is somewhere, I think again I am taking somewhere here, once I want to calculate this one, 3.66 minus 3.064 plus 0.55. 1.146. Okay, done. Next this one, minus 2.25 plus 2.3 minus 0.475. Actually I took a round off, no, so by taking the round off I took. So now here 0.231. So now here the value is nothing but the exact value is 0.23, but I have that 0.231. So here once check it these values ma. Here I took that it is a round off, no. So if you want then you can, otherwise take at least 4 decimals, okay, and calculate this one, okay. So this is nothing but the application, and in the next class don't worry, I will discuss another problem also. This is the procedure, that's it. So now here by using the polynomial we have to calculate, so we consider that one. But my doubt is nothing but simply here I took just 2 decimals, no, 2 and 1 decimal. So I think it is better to take 4 decimals, okay. So for each and every problem better to take that 4 decimals ma, then you will get the exact value. So our decimals daggare koncham addition daggare miss aitundi, anduvalle ila, okay. So and in the next class we will discuss the problems, some more applications related to this concept, okay. So until then, thank you girls, have a nice day.